and based on that they go ahead and they start their own business. किती लोकांना बिझनेस चालू करायचा इथे? कोणालाच नाही. You are not interested in developing your own business, your own startup, enterprise. इथे बसलेत ना, incubation center मधून आलेले आहेत तुमचे colleagues. So you need to approach the investor. The investor will see the potential in your product and then they will provide you some funds. Right? मग आता या सगळ्या प्रोसेस मध्ये मला काय काय लागलं सांगा. ही जी सगळी प्रोसेस आपण केली, बसल्या बसल्या आपण इलेक्ट्रिक व्हेकल बनवला इथे. त्याच्यामध्ये काय काय गोष्टी काढल्या आपल्याला? So we basically got some coding, programming लागलं आपल्याला. So इक्विपमेंटच्या गोष्टी काय काय लागलं आपल्याला डेव्हलप करण्यासाठी? मेकॅनिकल टूल्स लागले, इलेक्ट्रिकल टूल्स लागले, ॲक्सेसरीज लागल्या, कन्व्हर्टर लागले. we need cutting machines, we need 3D printers, we need sensors, we need PCB manufacturing machine, PCB making machine, we need all the softwares related to that. We need 3D scanner. या सगळ्या गोष्टी लागल्या का नाही? या सगळ्या गोष्टी कुठे मिळतात? त्यावर आयडिया लागतात. या सगळ्या गोष्टी ज्या लागतात कुठल्याही प्रोजेक्टला, whatever idea you have, if you want to convert that idea into a prototype, whatever is required from this idea into prototype, या सगळ्या प्रवासामध्ये जे काही लागतं that is available in the idea. That is available in the idea. It is up to you how you can utilize it, how you can use it, and how you can make the product more innovative. And what are the steps in project development? कुठल्या steps आहेत project development च्या? First of all, we should have an idea. Idea पाहिजे. Second, we need some mathematical analysis and calculation. Third, we need simulation and checking our calculations. Fourth, we need hardware development. And this hardware development is the journey idea. Hardware development ची काही journey आहे, that is the idea. Is this clear to everyone? And this way we have to make our projects so that those projects are sustainable. Sustainable म्हणजे काय? They can sustain for a longer period. आपण काय करतो, प्रोजेक्ट असा बनवतो की फक्त आपल्या पुरतच राहतो, पुढे तुम्हाला वापरता येईल. Because we only focus on development, we do not focus on design. So we need to come up with the products and services that are sustainable. Others can use it or others can make some modification and go ahead with that. So this is what we need in any project. And you should participate in some competitions and exhibitions with all your projects that you do, so that you can get more feedback from the industry professionals, from the student colleagues, from the faculty members, so that you can innovate on that. In our institute, students participate in the Smart India Hackathon. Yes. How many of you know Smart India Hackathon? Did you know Smart India Hackathon? So you should participate every year in the Smart India Hackathon. Ideas are already given there. You need to convert those ideas into product or prototype. So you get a chance to meet with many people. And last year, 2 groups from our institute were selected for the final round and won the prize of ₹1 lakh each. Apart from that, there are many other competitions where students take part and win some prizes. That gives you the confidence of doing the project, and that automatically helps you for the placement. So if you go in the placement interview and if you tell that we have done this project and this is the result of this project, the employer or the recruiter will not ask any other question. They will directly say that when you can join us. So project is a teaching methodology where you can learn many things on your own which are not taught in the classroom. Right? So I hope with this introductory section, you will plan something for your next academic year, next semester, and you will come up with some innovative projects. Definitely, I will be happy to listen from all of you what projects you have undertaken. You can communicate it to the sir. Sir will send it to me that what projects you have taken and how you are doing it. So I wish you all the very best. for your future semester and for the projects that you are carrying out in the next semester. And once again, on behalf of AICT Idea Lab and the institute, I welcome you for the visit, one-day visit of Idea Lab. So, thank you very much. Okay, on the behalf of our Rural Engineering College, and very important, we have started section and company, that is PREC, Research, Innovation, Startup and Medium Enterprises. In short, we are calling it as a Prism Forum, and that is our company which is existed in our campus, okay, in the same engineering campus. And now this company is not only for the engineering students, it is for all the technology research work. It may be in the field of agriculture, it may be in the field of medical, like this. Just now, before coming to this campus, there was call from PMB. PMB means Florida Medical Trust. There is one doctor, Dr. Pati, and Dr. Vicky also. He called me and he told me that, sir, I want to have one of the innovation thing in under your incubation center. Is it possible? I say it is applicable to all, not limited to engineering. Okay, so it is applicable to all, and sir has given very good guidance regarding all the stages, how to think, how to have idea, how to have the process after idea, how to think mathematical modeling, how to think after modeling, how to go for simulation, and then after how to have development, and lastly, after all these design and development, we should have a product, and that should be sellable in the market. Okay, so this is all about our concept which we are developing in our campus. Even though our campus is in a rural place, not like just like Pune, Nashik or Mumbai like that, but then also we are having very good time with all the organizations. Atal Incubation Center is in our collaboration. We are having collaboration with them, and right now we are going to start the very good eminent branches also in the campus, and that is nothing but our artificial intelligence and data science. Then we have already started automation and robotics. Then we have already started electronics and computer. And then we know that core branches are also equally important for development of all these things. And sir has given very good highlight on all these stages. And I think you are very much lucky that he has explained in your own language. तुम्हाला समजेल अशा पद्धतीने सरांनी तुम्हाला समजून सांगितलेलं आहे, मला असं वाटतंय. आणि सर इज वर्किंग ॲज अ हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आय थिंक इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग, करेक्ट सर? And also he is handling this idea. Now I want to invite him in our campus on 4th of April. What is 4th of April? It is Inspire Maharashtra event which we are going to organize at our campus by calling not only Maharashtra people but Bangalore people, Delhi people, Mumbai people, Nashik people, Pune people, COP College, PICT College, Kekewa College, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, all will be there. And sir will judge your project. Is it right? Thank you, and we are very much eager to see your lab. See, this is the team share this structure. It was what we can say simple structure, and then after they have renovated it. म्हणजे टाकाऊपासून टिकाऊ पण करताय. बेस्ट फ्रॉम बेस्ट. ओके, मला काल एक जणांनी कन्सेप्ट सांगितलं. आम्ही ऑनलाईन मीटिंग मध्ये होतो. एक मुलगा आहे, नाशिकचा आहे, तो पुण्याला पण आहे, आणि हे मुलं होते माझ्याकडे बीएनसी एनटीसीचे त्यांचं गाईड आहे. तर त्यांना मी म्हटलं अल्टरनेट फील्ड टेक्नॉलॉजी काय करते. त्या मुलाला ऑनलाईन घेतलं रात्री 10 वाजता मी. सर त्यांनी इतकं सुंदर सांगितलं ना, कांट इमॅजिन. आय वॉज रिअली सरप्राईज. माझं तिथं नॉलेज झालं. आणि त्या ठिकाणी त्यांनी मला इतकं एक गोष्ट अशी इंटरनॅशनल पेटंट कसं करायचं. इथे 2 months you can get the grant. 2 महिन्यात ग्रँट मिळू शकते. आणि त्या मुलांनी मला इतकं हेल्प केली. कारण मी तुम्हाला आणि मी त्याला सहज कन्सेप्ट विचारलं. काय बाबा, जसं तुम्ही आता आयडिया विचारली आणि त्याच्यानंतर डिझाईन विचारलं, तरी मला डिझाईन लगेच ड्रॉ करून दाखवलं नाही. त्याच्यावर इमिडिएटली आय वॉज व्हेरी मच शॉक्ड अबाउट दिस थिंग. आणि मला आता त्यांनी उद्या पुण्याला बोलवलंय. आय एम गोइंग टू पुणे फॉर दॅट. आणि मला आता तिथं जे युनिव्हर्सिटी पुण्यामध्ये झालेलं आहे, they have called me as a keynote speaker and panel discussion. And then after on 14th and 15th I will be there in Bangalore for again patent level panel discussion. आणि मला असं वाटतं माझ्याबरोबर तुम्ही पण यावं.
because we want to invite all you people for Dubai location also. Okay, for the international conference. Okay, thank you very much.
So being at rural place, your alumni are locating in every corner of the world. You must be proud of that. It's like Kekeval only. Let me tell you, sir, I took my admission for engineering in the year 2001, and my one of the option was programming that time. But I got admission in SPC. But my one of the option for that time, that time one of my option was programming. So you have a big legacy and history of the
सर आम्ही त्याचा अल्युमिनाय बोलवली या 4 तारखेला त्याच्यातला एक जण हा बेंगलोरचा एनएल लॅबचा डायरेक्टर आहे आणि मोदींचा राईट हँड आणि दुसरा जो आहे तो मोदींचा लेफ्ट हँड आहे ही इन दिल्ली अँड वी आर गॉट हिम ऑल्सो दोन्ही राईट लेफ्ट हँड टेक्नॉलॉजी मध्ये आम्ही इथे बोलवले 4 तारखेला यू कॅन हॅव डायरेक्ट डायलॉग विथ हिम करेक्ट
तुमच्याकडे कोणाला बॅकग्राऊंड आहे. So you can approach all those alumni with the help of your alumni coordinator and you can get their guidance. And let me tell you, the students from the rural background have more innovative ideas from the than the students who are from the other background. Because they have come to such a place where there are many problems, right? So maybe some of you from the agricultural background or from the some other backgrounds. So you know what are the problems, actual problems. So try to solve those problems and serve to the society. So thank you very much for inviting me. But from Monday we have Atal FTP, so I will not be able to join. But next time, whenever there is a program, I will take it. Now next session will be by my and friend Professor.
सर 4 एप्रिलला त्यांचं म्हणणं आहे तुम्ही सगळे टीमकडे या आयडियाची सगळी टीम होईल राकेश सर मॅडम यू ऑल शुड कम देयर अँड देयर विल बी वन सेपरेट स्टॉप फॉर IISc IIM KK इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेज अँड आवर पीपल्स विल इंटरॅक्ट विथ यू ओके वी कॅन डू दैट.
So next session will be my colleague and friend Professor Kushal Birla, and he will be talking about introduction to AR/VR technology. I think schedule is shared with slides. The schedule is after that. After that, there will be session by on 3D printing. There will be session on 3D printing. So how that 3D printing can be used. After that, there will be COD laser cutting machine demonstration and working. Then there will be a break. So you can go in the canteen. Canteen is just next to that ground. After crossing this road, you can see the canteen and you can order food there. After that, there will be 3D scanner session. Then some Arduino kind of session will be there. They will tell you how to make programming on that. Wood cutter, CNC wood router is also there. That demonstration will be there. There will be one session for robot technology. So it will be robotics and automation defined. So by that time, you know robotics and automation. So you can gain that information. And finally, in the evening you will come back once again to get further validation for the conclusion of the system. So now I welcome my colleague. He is assistant professor in the Department of Computer Engineering, and he is the coordinator of AR/VR laboratory. He has received a grant from AICTE for order of grant for AR/VR, and he has all those kits, so he will demonstrate. So yes, sir.
presentation
सर मी आता डिपार्टमेंटला जातो 12:30 वाजता तुम्हाला कसं आहे सर कुठे सर 3 वाजता ओके अप्रूव्ह झालेलं आहे. फक्त आपल्याला काय प्रॉब्लेम झाला की आपल्याकडे कुठले एक दोन स्टार्टअप्स आपले रेडी झालेले त्यामुळे आपण इलिजिबिलिटी मध्ये बसत नाही आता तो प्रॉब्लेम झाला पण अप्रूव्हल मिळालेले आहे आपल्याला जर एक दोन जरी आपले चांगले स्टार्टअप झाले ना 1 करोडचं फंडिंग आपल्याला मिळणार 1 CR ऑलरेडी त्याचे अप्रूव्हल माझ्याकडे आहे फक्त आपल्याला हे ज्याचा सर करतायत त्यांनी मॉडरेटवर एक लॅब डेव्हलप केलेला आहे त्यांना पण फंडिंग मिळाली ह्या पूर्ण आयडिया लॅबला पण पूर्ण फंडिंग मिळालेली आणि तुम्हाला मला जे दुबईला घेऊन जायचंय ते AICTच्या थ्रूच मुलांना 2 लाखाचं फंडिंग आहे एका मुलाला हे सगळं आपल्याला करायचंय सब्जेक्ट टू कंडिशन तुम्हाला काहीतरी दाखवावं लागेल त्यासाठी तुम्हाला ट्रेनिंग म्हणून आणलेलं आहे आजचा दिवस पूर्ण युटिलाइज झाला पाहिजे पूर्ण युटिलाइज झाला पाहिजे म्हणजे आपल्याला म्हणजे काहीतरी आपल्याला काहीतरी स्पेशल मिळालं पाहिजे देन वी हॅव टू सी आणि यू आर द ब्रँड अँबॅसिडर नाव ब्रँड अँबॅसिडर म्हणजे PIDCचे आणि म्हणून आपले HODची टीम आहे डीनची टीम आहे हेड ऑफिसची टीम आहे आणि त्याबरोबर तुमची स्टुडंटची CR लेवलची टीम आहे CR TR काय म्हणतात तुम्ही त्यांना ठीक आहे ना आणि त्याला मी म्हणतो ब्रँड अँबॅसिडर ठीक आहे ना अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला जॉईन टुगेदर करून काम करायचे उद्या आपले मॅनेजमेंट सगळे कॉलेजमध्ये असणार आहे परवा दिवशी त्याच्याबरोबर एक मीटिंग ठेवली आहे मॅनेजमेंट बरोबर प्रिन्सिपल ते असणार मॅनेजमेंट पण असेल ठीक आहे तुमची त्यांची मीटिंग
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. I first of all welcome all the dignitaries and it is really great pleasure sir when I have taken time out from your schedule and from all the interactions that can happen help the students to move forward, get the ideas and to their prototypes which are going to be the important pillars for the next industrial revolutions. So I again welcome you all. My today's discussions will be around the demonstrations of augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality devices. Yes, many of you may have heard already these particular keywords in your day-to-day life. Okay, today we are having some devices that can do what exactly as an engineer can practice. Yes, so quickly we will try to see some important definitions. I will our topic is to understand the fundamentals of AR. Okay, so basically this particular technology is trying to make use of 2 or more, 3 more different technologies together. For example, artificial intelligence, you may have already. Yes. Second one is your computer graphics. Okay, and third one cloud technology. So you can see a very good use of all these 3 technologies together. There are many other operations are also happening where you can also make use of IoT with advanced sensing technologies added to these particular devices. Yes. So we'll go to all the fundamentals step by step. This is the standard definition that I am trying to display here. As an engineer, you will come to know that what are the insights from this particular technology. First of all, the augmented reality is made up of the word augment, and which means to make something great by adding something to it. So basically augmented reality is a method by which we can alter our real world by adding some digital elements to it. This is done by superimposing a digital image on the person's current view, thus enhances the experience of the reality. Now come back to the mode of discussion how this kind of discussion. Basically all students have already experienced this particular part in their smartphones. Yes. So in mobile phone you are making use of camera. Okay. Along with that, if you have seen that there exists something called as AR zone. How many of you are knowing this? AR zone. You are already knowing this. Actually, whenever suppose if you are trying to celebrate your friend's birthday, yes, and at that time you want to place a crown on the top of his face. Yes. So you can put a sticker around it. Yes. Now there are two methods. First, either making use of any other applications over the created image, or second, create it in the real time. Yes. We are more focused on creating it in the real time. Yes. So now create assume that in your mobile phone also you can just see camera only. In that camera, you can just try to use the phone. In that more section, you have air bubbles. Okay. Now, anyone who is making use of smartphone, they can quickly open it. We are going to briefly discuss about the demonstrations. Okay. It won't be more than 2 minutes, but I will require your help to use the mobile phone. कॅमेरा मध्ये मोर ऑप्शन्स मध्ये AR झोन मध्ये ऑप्शन्स केले या AR झोन किंवा AR डूडल have just drawn one small AR doodle okay, on the screen. Here, many of you are already exposed to my. Now, suppose this is a small drawing. Okay. Now, if I move around this particular drawing, it's a 3D installation. Okay. So, you can also drag and it will require very less space around your the basic idea is, as compared to earlier visualization, we are trying to have better insights with the help of the digital information. Okay. Now, is anyone able to see it in the screen? Okay. There is a green color one. You can make the draw code.
More. पैसे बदलून घेतो
I just have created a small picture. It may be compatibility, it may be
Samsung Live. Samsung Live.
है क्या
Everyone is already aware that you can make it of scanning a QR code and it will will get redirected to some web URL or other location. Yes, so that is nothing but one of the easiest or say basic feature of AR technology. Okay, you are scanning it, it is giving sense, and you are getting redirected. So what are the technology you use? Image processing. You have captured the image from the camera. It has processed, and then accordingly it has mapped to a particular ID only, and you are fetching the information from that web source. So from web source means what? Again, this kind of talk to the cloud technology. Yes. Have you heard this word? Everyone? Cloud technology this was a very basic view that you have already here. Let us try to see one more video here. From that we can okay, now just pay attention and this particular picture. In this you can see at the diagram there is a book page. Yes. And this particular is the skeleton coming up when you are trying to give it to a kind of a mobile. Yes. With the help of this particular AI technology, you are able to study about the skeleton and various important parts of it. By doing this, you can see now there is a heart, which is pumping. Now in our school days, we have studied that what are the functions of the heart. Okay. Apart from this, there are various important parts that you are not able to visualize, but in the real world, but we are seeing that it is demonstrated to this function we are doing. While selecting the options on this side, accordingly you can see the features are happening. Okay, where the waves are there, where the artery is there, getting how the electrical signals are passing on the muscles. Yes, all these can help the student understand the function of the heart in a better way as compared to the earlier that we studied. Do you agree with this? Yes. Now this helps in enhancing the next perception level. Okay, it can give more understanding. So what we are trying to do is, with the help of simple 2D visualization, we are trying to enhance the digital information and view it in a 3D format. So it's a very basic principle behind this technology. What we want to do? We want to enhance the learning experience. This is the first part. Second part, what we can do is, it was restricted in the 2D view. So therefore we try to adapt to the 3D. 3D view is giving us some chance of exploring some additional information. This was not possible just by reading the pages. Getting it? Yes. So next generation that will be coming up, they will be requiring this kind of learning. Yes. Now what is the application for you to create around this? There are lots of amount of study material available and lots of 3D visualizations are available. There is a huge chance of creating 3D visualization and enhance the digital algorithm intelligence, which will be helpful in the educational sector across the world. Getting it? Yes. This is one of the important parts in this activity. Second, not only visualization at the static things, but also suppose if you want to
Responding to emails takes time without a Grammarly. In a few clicks, Grammarly's generative AI.
Now look at many of you have already visited the shopping malls and all. Yes, where we have seen that there are items taken. Okay, there are some other also information added like barcode QR. Digital box is scanning here. Again, prices is the digital updated part of the information. Yes, the second extension to that is the use of the current space with the available digital ad. Okay, now what is happening in this is you already know this particular product. Okay, the kid or the student will be interested in more understanding about the thing. Okay, utilizing the space around it. Okay, so here now by scanning this particular QR code, it will be